Hello everyone, welcome to LimeBrew channel. In this video, we will learn about OCI, which is known as Open Container Initiative. So let's get started. So let me write down here the concept name which we are going to learn today, which is OCI, and it's also known as Open Container Initiative. So before directly jumping into OCI, I just wanted to tell you that this is an initiative which is mostly popular in the container virtualization technology. That today many of the applications are deployed within containers, and how the applications are deployed within container is, so let's say someone creates an image first. So image is created first, and once image is created, then the second phase is building the image. So once you build the image is push image, and once anyone has to deploy this image, so the next thing would be pull the image, and once it is pulled, then create container, and within that container that image would be run. So run this image. So this is how the typical container virtualization works, and Docker is the most popular technology which people uses to create the containers. You create the image using Docker file, you build the image using Docker build command, you push the image using Docker push command, then Docker pull will help you to pull the image, and then you will create your container and run the image using Docker run container command. Right. So everything was within Docker, but there has been an open container initiative which standardizes the process, that whatever format we use in during the build image part, that should be a standard format, and the way we run the image within the containers, so that should also be there should be standardization across both these processes, so that not only Docker, so other people, other companies, other technologies can also use the same concept with the standard approach. It is just mainly to standardize the way how we containerize the application specific to building the image and specific to running the image. So within OCI, Open Container Initiative, so as I mentioned, there are two types of specifications. One is standardizing the build image part, that how what should be the format of this image during the build process. So this is called image spec within OCI. So this is called image spec, and when you run the image, then there should be a standard way of running any image. So this is called runtime spec. So there are two types of standard spec which OCI has standardized, which is one is image spec and other one is the runtime spec. Now what it means is that that now this build image process is standard. Now the particular format using which the images are built, that is standard. So any company or any tech person or any technology, using any technology, you can build the image using that particular format, and this has been contributed by Docker itself. So Docker has contributed its image spec to the OCI, so that others can also use the same format. So many of the things have been contributed by Docker only to the Open Container Initiative, so that others can also use the same format to build their images. So what I'll say is image spec is specific to defining the format of the images, that how the images should be structured during the build process. Now if everyone follows the same image spec, then it becomes easy to manage the running part also, right? So for running the images, there is another there's another module which is called runc, which was developed by Docker again, and Docker again open source this project to the external world, and this become the part of OCI, Open Container Initiative, that anyone can use this runc module to run the images which have been built using the standard OCI compliant format, and they can use the OCI compliant runtime spec to deploy their to run their images within any kind of container. So there is no Docker dependency now, because both these modules, one is the image spec and other one is the runtime spec, and as well as runc, which helps you it's a module which helps you to run any image which has been built using the OCI image spec specifications. So Runc helps you to run those image within the container. So these two modules have been or I'll say these two specifications have been contributed to OCI, Open Container Initiative, and this is what Open Container Initiative is, that these container technologies should not be limited to Docker when it comes to the commercial world. Anyone should be able to build the images with a standard format, and anyone should be able to deploy the images within Linux container using a standard runtime specification. So this is the main idea of Open Container Initiative. And as I mentioned, that this has been majorly contributed by Docker and some other companies, and now it has become part of OCI, Open Container Initiative. I hope you get the overall idea. If you like this, do share it with others, do subscribe Live Guru channel, and do not forget to press the like button. Thank you.